I'm 68 years old. My doubts and questions have increased in 42 years of being a priest. I'm at the end of my life. I'm not sure if I'm gonna survive. I often don't know what to say when I talk to
Marc.
him.
Inglés, el primero.
El primero, el inglés.
I receive only silence, no relief. I've waited in vain for a little advice from that great voice in the ethereal skies.
Bueno, el suï el veieu allà a l'esquerra.
És per la dreta, Josep?
Sí, sí, és per dalt.
Once I
Això va a la
was a
casa.
revolutionary, a devoted mercenary, a gifted student in God's hands. Now
Sí, 20 i pico.
I try to be honest and good.
Van junt amb aquells que han passat.
Sí, encara millor no muntat.
Everybody loves rock. Everybody knows they're gone. Put down to the jailhouse rock. Number 47 said to number 3, you're the cutest jailbird I ever did see.
Es pasta para todo. Yo te cogeré un trozo, vale, te cogeré un trozo. ¿Son trozos? Dale, dale.
El deixarà sense menjar.
Per què dius que segueix això, Pau?
Això, bueno, és una pasta polivalent. No, jo, res, Frai, un trocito solo.
Però partint el tu i jo.
¿Sí o no, Lluís?
Sí, dame un trocito.
Al final, tío, fotrem. Tira, el gros, ja el tant. ¿Qué más, Luis? No sé, ya se me acaba el
I
discurso.
cacao.
Cacao. Tiene que llevar almendra.
¿Cacao? No, claro, cacao, se no importa, cacao.
Almendra llevará eso.
Almendra.
Toma, el turrón de Gijona, ¿de qué es? Almendra, leche... ¿Gijona qué?
Y un poco de Gijona también.
Gijona, jaja.
Pero ¿dónde habéis pasado que no hemos visto? Claro. Espera, eso todo aquí.
Mira el Roberto com
Avui la cosa és greu, Lluís?
Avui la cosa és greu, Di algo, Roberto. Di algo, Roberto.
Oh, mira, Luis, de verdad, estoy subiendo. Nunca había subido tan bien.
Coño, Roberto, pues me alegro mucho,
Hay unos paisajes que merecen la pena subir. Los recomiendo a todo el mundo.
Pues mira, muy bien,
¿Qué
Roberto,
más
vamos.
te iba a decir? Pero bueno, pero hasta el año que viene yo no vuelvo,
Vale, Roberto.
Va, que aquell està en el Cotonyilia, tu? Mirem. Sí, és la nostra salvació. Que sempre hi ha tot lloc us donem gràcies.
Amén.
Certainty I so adore about the existence of the Lord. I've seen enough, that's why I know God left this place long, long time ago.
Què us ha semblat la pujada? Com us ha anat? Bé? Preciosa,
I've given to my parish things I don't have myself but cherish, namely love and charity, mostly purpose, that's what sets you free. So I'm where the metaphors are not.
Hosti, mira els seus matagalls, Fins ara no es veia, matagalls. I el que la teva antena és el Puig de Drou.
In my church, it feels as if I'm camped out, some sort of secret about the meaning of life. Sometimes can't fail to notice these are mediocre times. I've seen enough, that's why I know God left this place long, long time ago. I've seen enough, that's why I know left this place long, long time ago.
I remember years ago, someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did. And you were strong and I was not. My illusion, my mistake. I was careless, I forgot I did. And now, when all is done, there is nothing to say. You have gone and so effortlessly. You have won, you can go ahead, tell them all I know now. Shout it from the rooftops, write it on the skyline. All we had is gone now. Tell them I was happy and my heart is broken. All my scars are open. Tell them what I hoped would be impossible. Impossible. Falling out of love is high. Falling for betrayal is worse. Broken trust and broken hearts. I know. And thinking all you need is that. Building faith on love.
¿Qué?
Pedro, when all is done, there is nothing to say. And if you're done with embarrassing me on your own, you can go ahead, tell them all I know now. Shout it from the rooftops, write it on the skyline. All we had is gone now. Tell them I was happy and my heart is broken. All my scars are
Cap a l'ermita de Sant Martí.
Someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did. When you're weary and troubled, and when all their rules try to put you down, keep your head always high and don't care what they say. Be yourself and ignore what they're thinking. The most beautiful souls sometimes bleed in your smile, in your eyes. I can see so much of my life. Let your dreams always lead. I'll be there for you whenever you need. Count on me. They will shake you, try to break you, but I know they never succeed. 'Cause you are strong. Yes, you're so strong. In your smile, in your eyes, I can see so much of my life. Let your dreams always lead. I'll be there for you whenever you need. Count on me. Count on me.
Hay unos paisajes que merece la pena subir, los recomiendo a todo el mundo.
Pues mira.